In this video, I'll introduce Podpage. Podpage is a podcast dedicated website, so you can easily create this kind of website just adding your RSS feed. So if you are not tech savvy, it's very simple to use. Just adding your RSS feed is more than enough. So one of the biggest benefits to create this type of website is you are likely to get found on Google search or AI search because the podcast is audio-based content, so it's unlikely to get found on Google search or AI search compared to the blog or whatever kind of the text-based content. So there are three types of pricing plan, as you can see. I would highly recommend Pro plan. So I used to pick the basic plan, which is the cheapest option, but it's kind of limited the features. So it doesn't include our blog, the features, and embed custom code. So that's why I upgraded to the Pro plan. So this plan includes blog post and custom code embed. So that's why I chose these plans, but I highly recommend this Pro plan. So let's take a look at this dashboard. So before you log in, make sure you find your show by typing your show name or add your RSS feed. This is a dashboard. There are some essential settings here. Just click settings. So fill out your podcast info like this title and description. So these are basically the same information as your podcast. So just fill out this information and this RSS feed as well. So once you add your RSS feed, the Podpage retrieves all the episode you published. So you don't need to do anything. Just set it and forget it. So whenever you published your episode in the future, so it's automatically pull your website to the Podpage, so you don't have to do anything at all. So, and one of the biggest benefit of Podpage is integrate all kind of content into one platform. So let's say my Podpage has a blog articles like this one. These are the blog articles, and you can also integrate your YouTube videos. So this is a YouTube video. So it says the videos. So let's take a look. So these are all YouTube videos that I publish. So once you link your YouTube channel, so it automatically retrieves all the videos into this page. So you don't need to do anything at all. So I'll show you how to link your YouTube videos with Podpage. Just select this page option and click these videos. And then click settings and copy and paste your channel URL here and then just save it. So that's it. It's really easy to connect your YouTube channel with Podpage. And another benefit of Podpage is you can categorize episodes up to your preference like this. So these are the categories. So your visitor can easily find the episodes they like because this kind of category feature is not available on each podcast players. So you can customize the sidebar as you can see. So these are the podcast players. I chose these 5 podcast players on my sidebar, but it's all up to you. So I embed my email sign up form here and also embed some affiliate link here. And it's very easy to use. So you can also monetize by adding this kind of the store feature. So once I click this link, it's the transfer to the Amazon page where I sell my ebook. So you can monetize by adding this kind of links, and you can also make a sponsor link as well, and you can also set the buy me a coffee like this, so you can get the donation or support from your listener. And then you can also integrate with your social networks by selecting disconnect. And sorry, this is not the one. I think this is the design menu and sidebar. Click sidebar. And these are the options you can set up. So these are the categories and social widgets. So here you have to toggle on to show your Twitter embed. So you can embed your Twitter posts on your sidebar. So if you toggle this on, so it displays on your sidebar. So these are the players link which is here, and the visibility. And I embed some customized content on my sidebar, as you can see. I think these are the social integration somewhere. You can also customize your website, like select. There are many templates, so click design and change size templates. These are the templates. There are many templates available you can choose from, so pick the one you like. So if you are not tech savvy and you are not particular about the customized component on your website, it's really easy to set up. Just add your RSS feed and choose one of these templates, and that's it. So you don't need to anything. Just leave it alone, and that's it. Yeah, this is Podpage. So I would highly recommend use Podpage, so you can easily get found on Google search and Air search as well. Thank you for watching.